All right, now we get to change our thermostat, which is going to be located right here, guys. So literally all it is 3 bolts. As you can see, it's like a triangular pattern. So you got 2 on the bottom, 1 up top. I already disconnected this connector piece, so we can go ahead and, I believe they're 10 millimeters. That one's free. Let's go ahead and get the top now. You take your ratchet with extension, just like this. You could slide it underneath that black cable right there. So just have it like this. And all 3 are broken free, guys. 10 millimeter. Coolant catch thing underneath, cause it started pissing out on me, so make sure you have that down there. All right, guys, all the bolts are out. We can go ahead and remove the thermostat. Dude, that thing looks brand new. So we have the new and the old, guys. So even though the part numbers are different for the new thermostat versus the old one, obviously I'm going to use the new one, and I'm going to reconnect the new hose onto this one. All right, guys, just a little update for you. I got the new thermostat on right there, and I'm just going to reconnect the new hose right onto that, tighten that down, and then I can slide the radiator in. And the torque spec for the thermostat bolts, the 310 millimeters, is 7.2 pound-feet, but I just did 8 to be safe. So everything is connected except for my battery and intake, but as you can see, this thing looks sick, guys, and there was no fitment issues with anything whatsoever. So I gotta go ahead and install my intake, and then I need to put my battery on, and then we're gonna go ahead and bleed the system. All right, guys, now that I'm done, everything is back together. Got my Stop and Shop or whatever you want to get, but just make sure it's distilled water. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in the car and see how much this thing takes. All right, guys, all filled up. Keep in mind the aluminum radiators do take more. This thing took like 1.5 gallons, almost 1.75 gallons. So keep that in mind. Make sure you have enough coolant. So I'm gonna put the cap back on this thing. So we got this thing running. Damn, does it feel weird driving this thing? Let me tell you right now, but it's a good feel. So I'm gonna take this thing out for a little spin. All right, guys, as you can see, I just got home. I'm draining out all the distilled water because tonight it's gonna be like freezing temps, and I don't need my block being like screwed up when I come out to start it the next day. So I'm draining out the water. I gotta add some more Type 2 coolant right there. And then that should be it, guys. I had this thing running for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some Type 2 in there and call it the quits, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll keep you guys posted on the next update to let everybody know how this thing's running. So I will see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more 8th gen content. And remember, never stop wrenching.